God message for you today. Does not is feel as if I don't love you. Sometimes because of the circumstances that you face in life, I understand why not would feel that way. But I want to tell you that your thinking is wrong. I love you unconditionally and I desire the very best for you. I am here for you and I will never stop loving you. Triple nine. This angel number is saying to you, a cycle of your life is coming to a close. Extra positivity is recommended at this time. A bright attitude will help you start the next chapter of your life with great success. Type 999 to the timeline that you desire. The universe is saying to you today, your inner beliefs can change from time to time as you develop a deeper understanding of your true self and your purpose in life. Look for opportunities for growth and be very clear about your new intentions and belief patterns. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.